Welcome to Studio 21, where we do things for you. We show you how to get paid, we show you how to have fun, and we will introduce you to some of the brightest entrepreneurs, men and women. And you might see a couple politicians that you know at Studio 21, where you have big fun at Studio 21.
Man, so let me show you guys all of Studio 21, which is amazing. Look at that. It's got the professional audio set up for video interviews. You're listening to some amazing music. Who is this? Who are we listening to right now?
Anderson Parks.
Anderson Parks. Oh, yeah. Anderson Parks. I know him. Man, so right now we're breaking. This is the inaugural video at Studio 21. We just shot our show, Nick's Notions and Knowledge. And we're about to tap it off with a great. There's Nick right there. You want to say something, Nick?
Got a little champagne we pouring.
So, so we about to do a
virtual grand opening.
There we go. So y'all ready on 3? Here we go. Tip it up. Salute.
Salute.
Salute to you, Nick.
Hey. Yeah.
Oh man, that is delicious.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We gotta drink good.
So that's Studio 21. We'll see you guys next time on Studio 21.